Hello friends. In this video I am going to show how to install Pixel Plus UI ROM on Redmi 8A or 8A Dual. Let's start the video. This is new Pixel Plus UI official ROM. Let's check out Settings app. This ROM is fully stable and smooth. Pixel Plus UI consumes very less RAM and gives good performance. It gives good battery life. You can see it has unique and attractive UI. Pixel Plus UI has basic customization. I personally like this ROM because of its unique UI and less RAM consumption. This ROM gets OTA updates monthly with some extra features. For more information visit my Blogspot. Let's install the ROM. Take backup of important data before flashing ROM. Install 64-bit Orange Fox Recovery. Link is in description. Now go to Orange Fox Recovery. Click on Pixel Plus UI ROM. It will take some 2 to 3 minutes to flash. Now go to Wipe section, click on Format Data. Type Yes. Now reboot to system. I hope you have successfully installed Pixel Extended ROM. Thanks for watching.